Hey guys, Stuart with Aero Equipment here. What we got here is a new Hillsboro STA 1000 flat deck. What you'll notice is different is it's steel on top, aluminum on bottom. So it's got the skirted in aluminum bottom, sides, and then your toolboxes, which are fully sealed, rubber seal, locking latch. Really nice setup. 4 toolboxes, 2 in the back, 2 in the front. Got your fuel fill here. Got your full tank sides, stake pockets, 3 per side. Pulled up side rail. All LED lighting. You got your ball hitch here, which fold over your lid, drop it back. Gives you your 2 5/16 ball. On the back, you got your receiver hitch, your trailer plug, and that, guys, is the STA 1000. Give us a call. Check us out on Facebook. Like our Facebook page. And again, that's the STA 1000 by Hillsboro.